Hey guys, so this is Thanksgiving, November 25th, 2021. We're looking at Iotx, and it's a little confusing because it's actually a little hard to find the graphs on this coin, but it is on Coinbase, and it's an ERC 20 token. And so this is one I'm specifically talking about today. And I'm sorry about the filming on the iPad. I'm currently trying to get my Elgato working where I can do screen capture. But anyway, so today I want to tell people about this because I got in right at around 25 cents. It was actually about 25.7, and then I got in at 23.2, right around there, and so now we finally see IOTX going up, 5% up in the last day, because it really was going down quite a while. Let me see a better chart here, but the candlestick chart is really not the best for this, but this one can definitely show you how far IOTX has gone on this downward trend here. So, you know, it started at literally like 10 cents, went all the way up to, you know, 45, something around there. 50 cents, dropped back down, bottomed out at about 16, pumped back up again to like 40, and then now, ever since the 40-cent range, we've just been dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. So I saw this, right, especially after this big pump, you get this nice, you know, period where it finds support, it pumps up again, you know, higher volume. Now the volume's dropping and dropping and dropping. And this is usually a sign where something is about to happen. We're about to have a pump. When you see this like flat line, or it's just like a slow descent, it's like, you know, that can take a good, you know, while. I mean, this is like taking 10 days or so of going down like this. But now we're finally, you know, seeing this 5% up at 22 cents. So I would recommend people to invest in this thing around the 20-cent range or lower. But hell, I mean, I threw in at 25 and, you know, 23, and it's working out. And I think this coin could drop to as low as, you know, down here like 15 cents. It could do that, and I'm fully prepared to hold on, because I've been holding on for probably a week now or less, and so it's, you know, it's exciting to see this coin have a little momentum here. And I mean, sure, it's just 5% gain, and so anyway, so yeah, I definitely recommend you checking this one out. You know, it had a big pump on the Coinbase when it got onto Coinbase, and just so far it's trying to find its ground, which seems to be around the 15 cents is when it has a resistance, and it, you know, then it pumps up a lot. So I'm sure we'll see some real volume here, pumping. You know, this first huge pump right here, you know, happened. You know, I think I looked at this thing the other day, and I saw this happen in a very short amount of time. Okay, so from this pump, November 2nd to November 4th, we saw this thing go from like 10 cents to 50 cents. So that's like 2 days. Okay, and then you look right here, November 8th to November 10th, another 2 days of just going to the moon, you know, just going straight up. So, you know, think of in terms of that. It's like 2 days of pumping, and then we got about, you know, 3 days here of resting, and now it's turned into a lot more time. So I think, you know, we're due for a big pump, and yeah, definitely keep an eye out for it. So it's got, you know, 2 billion market cap, so that's pretty good. It's got some good volume, and so, you know, we're in the billions of the IOX total supply, so of course that's going to make the price pretty low because there's so many dang coins. But you know, you can see here. Oh, sorry, I gotta alarm going off. So anyway, so if you look at that volume there, $145 million in 24 hours. And so that's yesterday that this is talking about. So, 10% down, but still, man, that's a lot of volume. That's a really great amount of volume. If you look at the coin track, which is right here at $1.70, it has way lower volume, but then again, track does not have billions of coins, it has millions. So that's got to be the main difference there. But so with IOTX, here yesterday it's saying 52% we're selling. Now the reason why I think this is the way it is, and see, this is not correct. All-time high 26, that's not correct. The trading activity here of people selling, to me, I think, the people who are selling, yesterday, they must have, I don't know, man, bought at 22 cents, flipped it at 27. I mean, that's what we're talking about. We're not, it's like the whales. So, it's nothing to be scared about. Like, the whales are selling because it only takes a few cents for them to gain profit, to gain money. So right here, we just have to keep in mind, it's like, well, this volume's coming. Like, it's done it once, right here, it's done it twice. We should see a considerable pump like that in this thing's lifetime again. Hell, I can't tell you if it's going to be in the next month, but I would sure expect it to be. I would expect that this would not last another month. So yeah, I think that wraps it up for IOTX. Definitely watch out for this thing because, you can, let's say, buy at 20 cents, flip it at 25, and, you're making some decent money and all. But, for me personally, I think when I invested in at 25 and 23, I'm hoping more for this to happen, for it to go up to 30 or higher. So that's my real expectation is I'm buying in the 20s. I'm thinking it's going to go back up to 30, 30 something, and I'll be satisfied with that and just sell. Or I can just set a stop loss order and just see how much profit I can get. So anyway, guys, I think that's it, and I will definitely make more videos on this IOTX and get my my video capture working here soon. All right, thanks.